Hi, today we'll learn difficulties involved in extraction of aluminum from bauxite. The first difficulty involved in extraction of aluminum to get aluminum from bauxite. Bauxite is Al2O3 is due to greater affinity of aluminum towards oxygen. So oxygen likes aluminum or aluminum has a very high affinity towards oxygen. That's why aluminum oxide is highly stable and common reducing agents like carbon monoxide and hydrogen is of no use to reduce aluminum oxide to aluminum. So this is the first difficulty involved in extraction of aluminum from aluminum oxide. Second difficulty is for electrolysis we require molten aluminum oxide which has a melting point 2050 degrees Celsius, which is very high temperature. At such high temperature, oxygen release at anode may react with electrode and burns that electrode. Third difficulty involved is molten Al2O3 has very low conductivity. So passing electricity through a molten Al2O3 is a very tough task. Now all these difficulties was removed by Hall in 1886. Hall used following methods to remove above difficulties. First, he used molten mixture of 60% cryolite. Cryolite is Na3Alf6, 20% calcium fluoride, that is CaF2. It is also known as a fluorspar, and 20% alumina, that is Al2O3. This mixture has very high electrical conductivity. Why? Because this mixture got very high number of mobile ions or free ions, and also this mixture has very lower fusion point or melting point, that is 950 degrees Celsius. So fusion temperature decreased from 2050 degrees Celsius to 950 degrees Celsius. If you use only Al2O3, then fusion temperature will be 2050 degrees Celsius. But if you use mixture of cryolite, fluorspar and Al2O3, then fusion temperature will be 950 degrees Celsius. Here fluorspar and cryolite act as a solvent for electrolytic mixture and also increase the conductivity. Third, powdered coke is sprinkled over a surface of electrolytic mixture to reduce heat loss by radiation and also avoid burning of anode.